Hey, what's up guys? I just want to show you an update of the new crank that they sent me. I already installed it. As you can see, last time the crank arm would hit the side of the drive unit. With the new crank, you can see the big difference. See the space in between the left side and the right side. There's definitely a big space in between. These are the original crank arm. You got your left and the other one is the right. The size seems similar in length, so I think they did some modification in the diameter of the hole on the crank arm, so it wouldn't go in too far. It seems to be working for now, so it's not hitting the drive unit. Another thing I want to show is the plugs that are on your drive unit. Mine came off pretty easily. So these three that's on the side, they also sent me some new plugs for replacement. So I'm gonna glue them this time so they won't come off so easily. So it's just something you guys might want to watch out. They just pop right in like that. And they come out really easy, just like that. So I'm going to glue them in there so they won't come out so easy. Otherwise, for now, they seem to be holding and not hitting the side of the drive unit. These original ones were too close and it keeps hitting the drive. As you can see, here's the marks that hit it with the original crank arms on both sides. I don't know if you can see that right there where it hit. Keep scraping it. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.